Right guys, welcome back, and we have another action-packed episode as always for you today. So we have DEE'S ES1300 up on the ramp, and it's just had its new air-to-water charge cooler system completed on it. So we'll go through that, and Danny will explain some of the benefits of that and why we did it. And we've also got Ricky's 992 back in for some custom wheels courtesy of LCE Performance in Germany. We've also lowered it as well, some H&R, so it looks savage. And again, we've been out to Dubai again. Me and the race went a couple of weeks ago. Was it a week ago now? Roughly. Anyway, but yeah, we've got an update on some more cool projects we've been doing out there. And yeah, we've got some more exciting stuff going on later on in 2023 with some more projects that we'll show you as well. So keep watching.
Welcome to ESMOTOR UK, guys. As you can see here, we've got DEE'S car. It's 991 Gen 1, which is our ES1300 package. We have fitted the charge cooler kit now. It's all done, all painted, all fitted up. I'm literally just waiting for Emre to connect to the Cyvex, just so we can pump all the water and that through, make sure it's all good. There's no leaks, nothing wrong with it. So once that's done, we'll be putting it on the dyno, and we'll have to retune it on pump fuel, retune it on race fuel as well. Because obviously he's had a big difference here. Obviously it was just running intercoolers before with meth. He has now got a full charge cooler kit, and I'll show you what it consists of. So as you can see here, this is a custom made charge cooler tank. Obviously it has the cores inside of it. So it's like an intercooler that's inside, but then obviously the water will run through these pipes here, and obviously keep these cool. And then obviously a custom made pipe to the throttle body, all HD clamped as well. And then coming around to the side, this is the replacement for the intercoolers. So this still works obviously as an intercooler. We've obviously got the fans on there as well now that obviously help keep the temps cool. Obviously the fans will constantly be running, so the more power it's pushing, the faster the fans will work. And then obviously the lines feed all the way to the front, which I'll show you. And then it finishes here. So, well, I wouldn't say finish, it actually starts here. So obviously you fill this charge cooler tank up with water and ice, and he's got the pump in there as well, and then the lines will run all the way through. Everything at the moment is just a loose fit because I want to make sure there's no leaks, there's nothing wrong with the car. So then once we've got it on the dyno, we've run it and the car's running 10-10, then obviously I'll tidy it all up, make it all nice and neat. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what this can actually push and what the temps stay at. So we did run one in Dubai, which was on the ES charge cooler kit as well. That was staying at around 20 degrees, so, and then going down to about 16. So yeah, it's really good. So yeah, pump fuel, meth, and then obviously race fuel as well. So yeah, let's see what we can push.
Right guys, so like I said, we recently went out to Dubai and we helped tune some cars out there, or get them ready anyway. And we brought T back with us as well.
Back from sunny Dubai. Well, it's actually raining there right now, but sunny Dubai to like -5 over here, and that's why I've got my jacket and my hoodie and everything on, because
it's cold, man. It's freezing cold. But it was a productive trip. We yeah. Again, there's a lot of cars going on. It's going well out there, though, right?
Yeah, really good. Just the last time you guys came out, we've had quite a variety of cars that we've been working on. ES1300, Saif Khalfan's car. Yeah. We had that on the dyno, that was really good, made some good power. Just tuning that one, dialing it in. We also had Amin's 997 GT2.
Oh yeah, that was sick. That was a really nice
That
one.
was a good car.
Yeah,
we had
speed yellow 997 GT2.
Yeah.
Awesome interior, and it sounds epic with that titanium exhaust on it now. He's like got a full bolt-on hybrid turbos, titanium exhaust, DO8 coolers, and then we had it on the dyno with a custom tune in it. Man, just listen out. We'll put a clip in it. It sounds
car was sick. We also also had Mubarak, I think 992 Turbo.
Yeah, non-S.
Yeah, new one.
That was actually good results for
non-S.
That made
good power. Yeah, the turbos make good power, so that was good. And we also had Sakar 997 that came in. That's a 4.1 fully built engine, GT35 turbos, Cyvex, fuel system, the lot. So keep your eyes peeled for that one, because we've got a bit of work we're doing on that, and we're going to dial that car in. That's a special build, that car as well.
Yeah, it sounds epic as well.
I think people have got a special place in their heart for the 997s.
Yeah,
especially the built cars. So yeah, that car.
And bro, you're leaving out the main thing. You got the GT2 out there, man.
Oh yeah. GT2's out there now. Do you know, I've done a lot more miles in it out there than I ever did here.
Yeah.
Yeah, purely because it was left-hand
you don't
drive.
drive in it. Yeah, it's not. No one gets to drive these cars.
Here, I think on my second occasion of almost completely writing the car off by sideswiping someone on the M1.
Yeah.
I just stopped driving it basically.
Yeah.
But out there, it's because it was made for that region and everything. So
you made a couple of changes to it now since it's been there.
Yes, we have tuned that. What else did we do to it? IPD Y pipe, CSF intercoolers, JCR downpipes as well. So it sounds epic. That's the main thing.
Yeah, the downpipes we did.
The downpipes we did here. But I mean, like when it's rolling on the road,
sounds epic.
The turbo whistle is just
it's
constant basically.
Sounds awesome.
So you don't even need to drive it hard to just enjoy it. You know?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of things going on out there as well, so we shall try and keep you updated as best we can. And get some videos. It won't be as good as Chaz coming. He's too busy to come with us all the time, but unless
it's alright, we'll drag him.
Yeah, unless we kind of
drag him. And actually,
time down,
there's something else that's in the pipe works that we can't announce
yet
right now.
Yeah, we'll keep that. Yeah.
Something a bit secret, but
it's gonna be big 2023.
It's gonna be big for 2023, and Shaz will definitely have to be dragged out for that.
100%.
He doesn't even have a choice.
You got no choice, bro.
He's got no choice in that.
Sure.
So
we're already there. We won't take no for an answer on that one.
Yeah, but, it's gonna be epic. Look, we got, alhamdulillah, we got big plans for 2023. Inshallah, keep your eyes peeled because we're not stopping, and we're going to keep going no matter what comes our way.
That's it.
So with our ES kits, obviously we have like our ES700, which is an exhaust and a tune. We have like ES750 as well, which is exhaust, tune, meth. We then go to ES800, which is it's a stock turbo frames, obviously hybrid internals. That comes with like intercoolers, Y pipe, plenum, and meth. And then obviously we're doing the ES900 kits or 950 kits now, as you see on Yassir's one. So that was G25 turbos, bottom end build. Obviously everything else is stock. He's got the intake manifold and out on it as well. Dodson clutch. Like the kits we're doing, they vary so much, but we're going to start introducing a new kit, which is going to gain more power. So our ES1400 kits, which is our top kits that we're doing at the moment. Like you see on DEE'S one as well, that's ES1300 with a Chargecooler kit that we're introducing. And then we're going to introduce like the ES1400 kits plus. So we're going to be doing a bit more development on these kits so we can push more power out of these cars. So behind me you can see the famous blue ESMOTOR UK 991 Gen 2, which is running the ES1400 kit. We're now going to be doing our custom fabricated Chargecooler kit on this car, and we're going to do a few other bits on the car as well. I'm not going to tell you yet, but if you stay tuned, you will find out what we'll be doing on this, and we'll be getting more power out of this. So it will be a new package that we will introduce very soon in the next couple of months. So yeah, stay tuned because we're going to be hitting more power, hitting more numbers, bigger numbers, and lower numbers on the road. So yeah, stay tuned.
this. Okay, alright, cool. Shaz, why are you recording me? Bro, record the car, like, look at the wheels, man. Just look at them, Shaz. To be fair, the stock wheels are okay. They're way better than the Gen 1s, personal preference. But these, man, are like next level. But there's so many benefits to these wheels. One is the weight factor, obviously. You're saving about 8 to 10 kilos on these wheels compared to the stock wheels. Saving weight while on a driving motion weight is way better than getting lightweight seats in. So I'll always recommend saving weight on wheels. Second, Porsche provides these wheels 21s all around. So obviously us being us, we love a bit of a modification to the wheels. 21 on the front, 22s on the rears. It just sits so much better. Like, look at that. You see, perfect. That's how Porsche should have actually provided these wheels in the first place. And obviously we've just done that. Well, I mean LCE Performance, the wheels are from them. We are their dealer here in the UK. So if you want a set of them, contact ESMOTOR UK and we can get it for you at a perfect deal which you can't miss out on. Weight, you're saving. Looks amazing, easy to clean. And 21s and 22s, what can I say, bro? Look at it, just look.